Today we're going to show you how to run a card not present transaction with 360 Payments in the Tracker software. So from the main screen, you want to go to Recall at the top, then find the invoice you'd like to charge, scroll down to Invoice, Job, and Add Payment. Then you want to choose the payment method. You can adjust the amount you'd like to charge or leave it as the full amount, and then click Process Card. Now you can shut off the terminal and it'll give you the option to enter the card information. So from here, you want to enter the full credit card number, the expiration date, and CVV code on the back of the card, and then the customer's billing address and zip code, and then click Process Card. Once this is approved, it'll show successful transaction, and then back on the invoice, it'll show the payment. Thanks for watching.